All right. Danny Shades.
Hola, my brother.
Sorry?
Me am nice, man.
Yeah, no, as in. Ngisazi ukuthi enhle kahle wena ngiyakuthola nini yazi.
I'm here.
Yeah. Because it seems like at these days it's so all over blind.
Yeah, God is trying to open some doors.
Yeah. It's about time. It's about time. Ngiyafuneka baba.
6 years.
Yeah, dana ngikubona vele busy ema stage, performer, wenzani.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see that finally there are a few doors nyana evulekayo kancane. So a quick brief about yourself for abantu bangawazi ukuthi ubani.
Okay.
Yeah, just a quick brief.
My name is Danny Shades, Mr. Tong Tong, aka Mr. Bashimani. Started music 2018, and then kabale gebenyana got COVID-19, and then I proceed after that. I've been performing probably all over Kwandebele. That's where I started my music. Originally, I'm from Limpopo, place called Ratoke, Smolanyana village. I actually sing everything.
So 2018, ufike nini ngayiso?
2000. Yeah.
So, okay, but music uqale 2018.
Yeah.
Kuze kanjani? Sonke lesikhathi leso or lapho ungasi ready?
I started schooling at Ratoke from my primary.
Yeah.
And then I came here 2010.
Yeah.
And then I went back 2012 for my initiation.
Oh, yeah,
Ratoke.
Right.
And then I came back 2014.
Yeah.
Went to Mhlanga High.
Yeah.
Did my matric 2015.
Yeah.
And then 2016 I went to Tswana College in Pretoria. 2017 when I'm about to do my N6.
Yeah.
I started seeing musical signs on the board there.
Yeah.
I like Chinese or Yangela, Marangizwa.
Yeah.
Dreaming only of singing, and I realized I'm wasting my parents' money. Started focusing on music. 2018, Mula decided to DJ Ekasi.
Yeah.
The party name but the party kam Jerez. Mixa say took me on stage.
Yeah.
We speaker.
Yeah.
Bass beam.
Yeah.
Take it down.
Yeah.
Because I was blank. Somehow the bass line when it says gung gung gung, then I just somehow automatically
Yeah.
2018.
Okay, it's like lento le vela siqale ngayo.
Yeah.
How did that le tong iqale kahle? Was it like a song busy ngetrack studio ufuna ukwenza itrack?
Nah.
Or it's just something eqale from a stage?
It's something I call a stage.
Yeah.
It is something I had to find my signature.
Yeah.
I'm more inspired by artists that have signatures.
All right.
But
Oh, yeah.
already you know.
Yeah.
Who's that girl? My wife to be. Who's my girl?
Your wife to be.
Zingma.
Yeah.
Zingma.
I'm tired of the cheering.
Yo, I might like type
Yeah.
So I'm inspired by such people who have introductions. I go,
Yeah. Yeah.
DJ Khalid, and I was like,
Yeah, I won't lie.
dear God, let me find my own.
I won't lie. Zingumalo has one of the best but in tech lines.
Yo,
yeah, nah.
It's too dope.
Uye no Lilimake.
Yeah.
There's a song man by two. Uye no Lilimake. I think it's called corner. Like I didn't have to hear the whole song. Just the intro. I knew this is gonna
The
be
girl
a
is
song.
there.
Net the way was introduced on corner way too. I was like, there is no need to buffer into his name. Sometimes come my track, I want to share my intro.
Yeah.
And still, they might have like the best verse, just the intro.
You get.
They were applying a code.
So I wanted to find something like that describes Danny Shades.
Yeah.
Because people, there's a lot of singers out there.
Yeah.
And there might be another singer that actually can sing a bit like me.
Yeah.
Since I was also compared to Taluunga.
Yeah.
I think Taluunga was like, you know what?
Yeah.
Since you guys think like that,
Yeah.
okay, let me find my own voice.
Yeah.
Let me find my own tag.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
and I didn't plan.
yeah.
Spiritually so.
Yeah.
Mina, I believe everything I do on stage, I even close my eyes. People just don't know because I'm wearing my shades. But when I'm performing, I believe God has planned that I must be on the stage tonight or today. So let me see what God planned. Meaning I don't have to plan. I do rehearse. I don't plan. Now if it happens, good I sing behind the stage. If it happens, good from entrance. That is God planning. Trust him like that.
Netso, you want what to say lapone. This show, it's more about to inspire the next generation if you want something similar to Leo Yenzai. There is no need for Uguchi or reach like platinum albums to inspire the next generation and stuff. Trust me, your progress is enough to inspire someone or say somewhere on an interest in music. Because to take people where I want on an interest in music and there's no one else. So Lobont lawyer nakakhuluma nabantu novasa bamuza because bonke bamtshela ngokuthi man hamba uyofuna uyi doctor whatever because ukuthi wonke umuntu sibana egovernment wonke umuntu une full time job khona net lapho but yena if there's one thing afuna ukuyenza ufuna ukuthola stage yangithola that person nakakhuluma nabantu endlini bamuza but trust me that person nakabona iprogress yakho ubona something ukuthi okay as in
it's possible.
It's possible straight. But yiphi ijandle nhle kahle uqale ngayo siqale lapho before ngiyafera.
Hip hop and R&B.
Yeah.
That's when I started singing. That's why there's Lokshin Hustle Music. That's a hip hop record label. Vele nangiqala ukucula mina empilweni yami. Even Limpopo, there's a guy called Jim the Great. The first guy, my best friend from Ukula Wethu. He's a rapper. I was a singer inspired by Chris Brown. Vele, it was R&B and hip hop.
So your first song, oyenzile kahle was it hip hop?
R&B and hip hop.
Is it because of abantu bophilana at that time or vele ijandla boyifrostana at that time?
Genre, hence I was inspired by Chris Brown. I had to jump on it.
Mina
nangiqala ukuvula iphimbo lami. It was in a gospel manner of American gospel. Right? From there, my voice it can maneuver in every genre, but because inspiring by a hip hop R&B singer, it had to be hip hop.
Azange uqale sonke njenga some other like amanye ama vocalists kahle kahle. Azange uqale sonke because
me I started at school. Yabona lezi ama assembly singer. Mina bengicula assembly choir, like school choirs.
That's one thing I've noticed about vocalists. It's either umuntu uqale esontweni or choir. I'm assuming ukuthi while usesontweni or choir, maybe conductor you approach like in approach her into okay wena you have a potential of ukwenza 1 2 and 3. Was it him or her, whoever conductor yakho or impintshi zakho ubani kahle kahle kwa notice something from you?
Surprisingly so. Mina self ngile ku choir. Mina self. Sengaya ku choir. Oh no. We went to a school trip to a zoo. And then I was with a guy called Gege from Limpopo. And then in the bus, there's this song airing Ramaseri Wamahodimo. That song. It's in a manner of gospel, but Tina Sienze in a Then I started singing there. Gege is the one who said, "Dog, let's join the school choir in Ramahuku." It was secondary. That was grade 7 to grade 9.
So, okay, so that means that time was so qadile, ne? But don't say ready or release your own music. Until 2018. Now, what made you feel make a decision about okay, kuna manje from 2018?
You see, music comes with growth. I believe my God is a tortoise. My God is a tortoise because it happened that it was a moment, it was a Mapiano era. And then my closest person who was there, who was out there, it was Mulai Say. So now my boy was playing, ngafika there, mina bengizela ukuthi ngiyosela ikaslam vele streets don't you? Then There was a guy called Mixas. He's still there. Mixas SA. Mixas SA is from Zone 1.
Okay.
Mixas SA, I just did a deep house track with.
Yeah.
And then same night, Sahlangana.
Yeah.
So because he saw how I could freestyle during a song, they performed this other MC there. Tamani MC, I wish I 6'9".
Yeah.
It's got 6'9". Yeah. Tamana ti HOE my KP, Mula Wamkaya. Yeah. Bamba Tamanang Bega Piz bass bin.
Yeah.
I started performing.
Now,
just like that. Then from there, it happened that those songs that I did with Mixas SA, he played them the same night.
Okay.
So during he played after Mula SA. During his set, people could realize that this is me.
Okay.
From there, those people went ballistic. Vele gakuko la pangating to kora.
Yeah.
I vele from da ngilisa bati prazim tulu tropingo malis. So Mixas SA was the first person to drop my song.
Okay, I'm assuming vele bakwazi.
They didn't know.
But I'm saying maybe bakwazi kasi ne bebangazi ukuthi
bebangazi ukuthi ngiyacula.
Yeah.
They call ungizwa that night.
Yeah.
For 3 years.
Is it like what is it? Was it piano, deep house?
It's a mix of, you see these private pianos.
Yeah.
That guy is a deep house producer.
Yeah.
Mara, I told him what's happening right now.
Yeah.
Did you please try and mix these things?
Because I can tell when it comes to dance music, I feel like you're more often like a deep house singer or something.
I am.
And kuma piano maybe there's if you bonga private
yep.
But mind you, kuma 2018.
Yeah.
So
it was dance.
And I don't know what because of my piano cinema subgender maning. I don't know what he live shaya or cabs and you two gana nabo what
yeah. Your shit.
Yeah.
Straight. Cabs as I introduce a very good game.
Yazang ukabanga ukuthi maybe ulandele le ndlela leyo what await.
Nah.
Because I'm assuming ukuthi ngalesikhathi lesitawethu vele beka phila kakhulu nomula ngoba ekhaya ngibona ni 3. Yeah, I thought ukuthi because of le erebeskiyo ne. Okay, maybe uzwenza the same thing udawethu bekahlala yenza nomlungisi. Yabo you two yabona. So when I'm getting ngocula I was like, hey, I hope they nisho shop because le erebeskiyo khona manje kufuneka lento yenziwa
ngama MC.
Yeah, edawethu no dale nomlungisi.
This is me trying to find my sound.
Yeah.
Remember, I sing everything.
Yeah.
I don't have a sound.
Yeah.
I don't. So at that time, obviously, as a DJ, you will go to the person who hypes the crowd worse.
Oh, yeah.
Or who hypes the crowd more.
Yeah.
Obviously, that was my little sister.
Yeah.
Dawid.
Yeah.
And then, obviously, that was the late brother, Mlu.
Yeah.
Then, bese vela mina ngindoli yami yan, ngiyacula, but at the same time, ngicula ingoma ezithanda babantu.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of which most MCs don't do that.
Yeah.
Most MCs don't have the voice.
Yeah.
They have the creativity of doing what people want to hear.
You know, sometimes when we shanganti need 3 wengenza something like when no Mula, no Dawid.
Yeah.
I feel like it was going to be something unique and especially with the Erbeskiyo. Sharp. Kube beat who's the guy? The
Mixas.
Mixas. Yeah. Ashaya available my private school piano and just so ungena ucule kiyo somewhere go bridge or I don't know anywhere uDavid angene kancane lapho nalapho. I feel like it's going to be a hit, especially ngale high lesikhathi leso like 2018 2019.
Yeah.
Was there like is there any female MCs yazila around the Ndebele?
No.
Beyicula
nguye kuphela.
She
sings. She's a great singer, a phenomenal one. So knowing her, and me and her, we can collab in a shit. I know one day.
Yeah, I think like when the time is right.
We will.
Yeah. So deep house. Do you think Kuzazo be with deep house?
Yeah. I lost a lot of producers of deep house lately.
And like wait, am I wrong? Nangachi a private school piano, deep house
You're right. Because all of them, they're there.
Yeah.
Bapumile lapha ku slow jam.
Yeah.
Bonke.
Yeah.
I had a lot. Deep Casino. Deep Casino is also a DJ, a producer. Mazes.
Yeah.
Basically everyone who can produce private school can do deep house.
Deep house, ne?
But none of them think of it.
So in 2025, to stay relevant, especially if people like my top chairs and stuff.
Yeah.
If you're a deep house producer, it might be the best thing to do might be to go private school piano, ne?
Yeah.
Or private school piano, or what about it's three step no, it's three step is more Afro.
It's Afro tech, yeah. It's out of where we are.
What about abantu bashaya like a commercial house in the let's say about 2013, 2014. Yeah, like commercial house very straight. What about one? So does it mean bona bonke bamuvela kuma piano or what Afro tech lab?
I think, I'm sorry, but I think they died.
Yay, baba.
Because name one person who made 2013, the commercial house, who's still relevant now.
Yeah.
Who is at the same level as a piano artist.
Yeah.
Like, comes with a small pull through and surpassed.
Yeah.
To a point whereby, even today, I
Yeah.
a commercial house compared to him.
Okay. Aspile kumula. Because I'm not sure, but I remember there was a time where every time he said, is it because of after the time now stage?
Just that night. Because he saw what happened.
Okay.
Remember, as a DJ, it's very rare to find 100 people here behind your desk, shooting, crazy, cheering. But now, when you're with someone you share the same bread with and the same plate with, it's no longer my shine. It's our shine. So from there, it was like President Sang. Then came P Squared. Because that's where actually I performed the most, P Squared. P Squared made the shades for me.
I feel like there was a time Benny Bambile, man.
Yeah.
Maybe it was
every
2019, eh?
Every Sunday, yeah. 2019, 2020, every Sunday, very.
So being lama session on Sunday, or was it just?
It was just him offering himself. You won't believe he didn't even get paid. Maybe he got something for bread but me, I didn't get shit.
So it was just for the love of it, actually.
Yeah, for me it was. Okay, I'm gonna get to that once we go on. Probably you're gonna ask a question that relates to what I'm about to say. But you have to decide as a musician what you wanna do or who you are. Do you wanna be famous? Or do you want to do what you do to heal your heart and understand because once you follow the fame and you don't get the fame, you're going to be meow. Once you choose the fame and you don't get the fame, you're going to But once you understand ukuthi isangoma sibekile lapha iyafika ithi mina ngine-calling and then ukuthi yona iphile isikhathi ukuthi ilandele i-calling, then uzobona ukuthi ukuthi nawe lento lena ungayithatha ukuthi this is not just a talent. I am born to do this. I am supposed to do this. I am supposed to sing. Then
okay, asibheka so phela amajanda la change kakhulu as from 2014, because 2014 to 2017 we era hip hop there. And then between 16 and 17 for like a year or two. And then my piano from lapho yabamba waya. So mina fell off from a stage from about 2018. And from 2018 up until now, yabona vele usapush. Wenze kanjani ukuthi ube relevant sonke lesikhathi?
And you be thinking you're blind. President prepared. Okay, I stayed relevant by following my heart. My heart was like, if Mula says my brother Sam is up perform, I wanna keep Asam. If umuntu yafi utechu go for 600, it out on performing. I'm gonna gig and get. Let me go there. If Mutua feet or yourself, like big events, they will tell you one day, and I'm gonna wish one day they can be on the same podcast and mention. It's just that the pride will be so much. You can tell. With the other initiates, textile on Facebook, on slot. Very rare people can actually do that. Mara, there's a lot of Khurtmans like Kwamshang, King Ababawi slot, and then Bang Niga more than 10 minutes instead of 8. Perform in Ankatalapa. Kusting buang gigbawi malami yelap, and then after the lapung chilugutin to Zamasga into Zakas Gahambigash. So I stayed relevant by knowing what I'm doing. This is just for me. Never post a lapi post. Welcome to my journey. This is a journey. Gizog living zimino so gusazo kanya sazongo mes trendago maramina itrimiam gashegash. It's out of South Africa. It's whereby you see when STC is aired right now. That's the shades.
Like there's no kumaga so. Nyayibona patient vela emehlweni akho vela I can tell like there's no need with anyone abuze. Yabonakala nje uzibhekele ukuthi didn't lo push away for stand up blind. So I remember even at my events I think it didn't matter for when nginabantu abangakanani. The way uzimisela ngakhona ngama performance. Do you prepare for my performance?
Back then I didn't. Until the day I realized that I forgot my lyrics. And then that cowarted me deep down. How do I forget lyrics? Basically, someone was like, "Do you prepare? Do you rehearse?" No, you don't rehearse. Why don't you rehearse? Joe, me and my boy, we just chill, and then after chilling, we are set into zake. Mina nangifika stage ingoma le ngizwa lapha yicha kimi ngizwa that day ingoma le so kanti that's wrong. I'm supposed to have those songs for my Monday. Ngale prepare from Monday until Friday. Saturday is performed. Then that's when we started separating because now it was a chance for me to actually do what I want.
It's like asimela lapho kancane I've noticed ukuthi sometimes ama artists banoprefera ukuperforma ama-track abaceda uwayenza like same week abanye maybe the same day ayiperforma kuleyo gig leyo. Ngeke wayenza lokho before?
No.
Like maybe let's say record i-track namhlanje or maybe that week. No, akekho umuntu olaziyo. But then decide ukuthi okay yazi ngene stage.
Nah, I've never done that because my tracks are not simple. Ingoma zama zi kunka but then that's the whole thing. Nah, me I speak something. I speak what's in my heart. I write something. I'm a writer.
But how do you feel about performer track abantu bangayazi?
Now, that's the shades. If you love the shades, remember I'm inspired by Mula. My boy has so much numbers. My boy has like 1 million views on Facebook. On Dashboard. 1 million.
But the president
2000. You get. And I was like, why would you be so big when I sang? And I was like, dude, why? Because you play new songs every weekend. My boy doesn't like a commercial song. Doesn't. You can Shazam it all you like. We thought. But he's getting it. He's gigging more than every artist. Abadlala ingoma ezaziwayo.
And nyambona shem uyangenelela nabo.
You get.
Nabo JS konke nyambona ngani.
He's there.
You'd swear ukuthi sekahlala ngara nalewe ahlala agcwele kuma poster wakhona ngara.
You get. Then that inspired me and I was like, okay, since me as Tenishades, I'm someone who would like to be I'd like to be rare. I'd like to be unique. So all these artists, they perform a hit song. Nabambizile uzo perform ingoma lezi 4 lezi enzazi. Yes 5 yahamba. Maybe I can introduce engayazi. So with me, imagine if ngishaya ingoma etsha. And I can make you relate to the message. Uzelele amahenisi wakho lapha, uzibambele isibabule sakho lapha. And mara ngikwenza ukuthi ujame uthi baby wait. Asilalele Dayimani. Ngikwenza ukuthi ufocus, ungizwe ukuthi ngithini ngale beat lelo ngalazi. Ngalama lyrics ongawazi. Now I would think I would die peacefully. Because now that things will understand that I'm very dope. Because into enye ayikho emhlabeni. All these artists, they do the same thing. They fight to have a hit song. I fight to have my face well known. Ngifuna ukufika stage umphakathi uhlangahlangana. Hayi ukuthi ngithi taka tikitong bese bakudanishe. No. I want to get, you see shit. Tenishades.
Yina ufuna ukuzithola one day uhleli so thola baphonsa ama-underwear or ama-bra stage.
It's happening already. Mina ngifuna kuyi-barricade, my brother. Mina ngifuna nginabona. You see when I say now, you see, one thing we differ from all of us artists.
Yeah.
The power. You can have a hit song but don't have the power. You can perform on stage but don't have flashes. You can get in on an event but nobody recognizes you.
Yeah.
You have to sing that hit song first.
Yeah.
Before people recognizes you.
I remember 2019, I think, event, I mean, so late birthday party. Yeah, the one day, for me, the last one day, she's up blind, blind like us. The one day,
too much. Yeah, she was full there.
The way she sang a corner, I think almost every artist who were like a great performance that day. I'm not thinking about the performance. And then I'm told that bonke labo ukuthi ngibaye was ama trick wenu or maybe baza whatever into on the stage when they were singing along bajayiva benza nonke. It doesn't matter whether it was hip hop
or whatever.
Yeah, nje. Yabona. So the same day, I don't know if this thing was it planned or what. Angisakho ukuthi wena ungene after abanye. But ungene kunomuntu ongena after yena or ungene during set umuntu.
Ngena nomula ni.
Ne? So should maybe maybe thina qeda perform ama artists lawo rapper sharp.
Yeah.
Abosanze ngopop ngiyacabanga. I think ku perform after bona. Indaba ngisakhumbuli kahle. But I remember ukuthi bekudlala iset kahle. Should maybe bekudlala umula le.
Yeah, it is.
Then from lapho out of nowhere, awu sengizwe voice yakho mara ngibone stage. Ngiyafuna ngoba because vele bengishoot on that day. Ngiyawuza yacula mara ngikubona.
Stand sound.
And then from lapho ngise stage mina isikhathi leso. Singagibela mara thina ufine. Singibheke stage ngizabubheka from the crowd in. Ukuthi lo muntu eculayo kuhle. Nangila stage ngibheka la side la. Angazi bophetheni esandleni la.
Some drink.
Yeah. Drink nyana vela angazi bophetheni izolophetheni. Urelaxile sharp ngapho i-mic. Bona ngama lights nama phone vele flashlight konke ngathi no yazi lewa ngizo superstar le.
It look like me.
And ngiyakubona ukuthi okay your plan ukuthi ukhuphuke kancane.
Yep.
But okay, I don't picture ngizawubona stage. Let me just capture this moment akhuphuka so because lama clip la ngawashaya ngakhumbula i-clip yakho vele yaqala from
I remember.
Yeah, from lapho. Yabona.
Are we proceeding?
Yeah, I know. I say
okay. Yeah.
That's so I podcast about CT. So why?
Sure. So, do you know Sambro?
Yeah.
I want to be the first person who pulls Sambro close to Kwandebele.
Yeah.
My brother, in knowledge layer,
yeah.
Gileke for 7 years. Uk understand ukuthi kune Sambro.
Yeah.
Ukuthi umunye umuntu nakakunoka. How do you uzilanda njani into zakho?
Yeah.
Umuntu ubhalele uhlulwa yini ukunoka?
Yeah. Yeah.
In the last corner, my brother inkolweni zethu azange kuvela i-artist izositshela ukuthi if you want to be a singer, sign to this and this and this. Research on this and this and this. You go through that alone. So bona bakunokile. Wala. Namaqeda ukunoka lapho na uyabuza but did you sign this certain paper?
Yeah.
Are you under Sambro?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know Sampra?
Yeah.
Do you know Ifa?
Yeah.
You know nothing. The only thing you know is to sing.
Yeah.
But the business side, now uzawubathi u-Aries bamnokile. Awulandelelanga ukuthi what wrong did he do?
What about my brands there? Like uhleli ka so sharp, okay, i-track lakho ladlala radio ladlala konke. But the next thing ubheke i-advert lapha prime time vele like boma 8:30 9 p.m. ukudlala like a popular soap ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Yeah.
Now uthi uyabheka lapha i-background adlala i-track yakho, udlala i-hook yakho.
Yo, that happened actually on Big Brother.
Ngayo i-Bashimane. Are you serious?
100% Crystal Show. Honestly,
no, uyizwe like bahlile idlala.
Yeah.
Nalapho imali bayithola.
I don't know.
Because I'm not sure about that, yabona. Into engisho imali engicabanga ukuthi lese umuntu oyitholile. Yabona ubani ubuhle ne? Ubuhle ngoba ushaya like the bathi the open vele i-track epic but nayiqala so ubuhle
I get you.
Yabona.
Yeah.
And then into engisho ngayo kuma series
nayidlala a background, not a background, a soundtrack.
I'm not sure about that. Into mele ngicheka. Yazi
I also didn't. Say yadlala and I was happy because now Big Brother is the biggest, So if they chose to play that song, It means it's moving. You get? And
but I don't think, as it's just that when I'm but I don't think imali yaphuma from lapho. Yes,
I'm also not sure because I feel like if they win a man, because maybe let's say go add, maybe let's say it's an air break and then badlala ingoma leya straight.
Or yazi kanjani? Yabona kulama show lawa abawiza le show lawa. Nakulawa ama highlights lawa dlala ebusuku boma 9 or 10 ebusuku ama highlights. Let's say if bayidlala ku background, why baba keep benza something.
Idlale straight.
Yeah.
Hayi njaya. Phela lapho ngikhuluma ngengoma idlalela phasi.
Yeah, yazi ukubona kwesinye isikhathi thole maybe bathi manje sebathole maybe kuma highlights ne bakhipha the party. Thole bakhipha just bajive. While bajive so background badlala i-track. Lapho khona I'm sure ukuthi you must get something lapho.
I believe so. As long as izwakala. Even on TikTok. TikTok ingoma edlalela phansi. Awungeke ubona bathi hey it has been cancelled or it's been removed because certain rights or whatsoever. Mara once yadlala clean yazwakala then there's rights.
Yeah, alright ne. But into engasisho ngayo nabahleli bazirelaxela kuphela and then idlala like ku background kakhulu. So I'm not sure about leyo.
Ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Lapho I'm not sure.
But with the sponsorship that we signed with, or the distribution deal we signed with, it's their job to fight for those rights.
And I guess nami check it because sometimes ungathola ukuthi kunama label enithole but nababona ngathi anibuzi and then babona kuyi opportunity ukuthi bayithi. Phela this is a tough industry.
It is.
The toughest yo.
In it, Manje, my boy, I have to go to him. Such conversations, we actually dwell better face to face.
Sometimes we check in on, okay, I'm ads, or any series. I want to know the hit song, any latest series, Netflix, Showmax, just check. Just check Pelo Guti. I'm going to talk about you come maybe. Because I know good now by half an hour. So when I remember, I'm sure Karen told us something. I told us something with Savage Beauty, if I'm wrong. Tanda Liano Peaks. Yeah, I remember, I think, was it the first season? I think the first season. So I'm 100% sure to do something.
Got something.
For that. Let's just and I mean, it's coming a streaming platform. There
is money.
I'm 100% sure with Lapo Coin Malacone Yeah, sometimes before you solo nabo Big Brother, just told information card. Because was as well my channel,
exactly.
You told me to already the second on the track. I found good fella somewhere, going to edit pizza and get trick lady.
And you can't do that.
No,
yeah,
saying you told me a certain approach.
Yeah,
I would ubalabala ngale.
Approach figures, number import,
find it, like you guys must find a way to make money out of this.
Why see that sponsorship? According to me, the deal we signed there, where is Bashimani? All rights, they have to make sure they take it. TikTok, Facebook, Insta, YouTube, Spotify, iTunes, AudioMac, let as long as kuna percentage because the tana sayithola umsebenzi wedistributor kahle kahle distribution ukuthi ilwele ama rights la mina ngaholi kwalwela
you're right
kahle kahle. So I will converse with the boy regarding the Big Brother one. But then like manje nakunjaya kwenziwayo
ngaphandle kwakhe kuphela ne
uzongitshela
if there's anyone else who industry or was more about this khulumana
I will.
If you not the chance with in Cairo, just ngalokho.
Yeah.
But okay. Yeah. Because you can tell with into name sekakhabatha siyazazi. Yabona sekazazi ukuthi okay into so udla ngayo udla ngayo kaso. Okay. Asingene ku fashion, ku music. How important is it to brand yourself like as an artist?
Very, 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 very important.
Yeah.
To look nice.
Yeah.
Sharp, we don't have the same craft, but thus far, those I've checked, you have to look nice.
Yeah.
For the next person to take you serious when you get on stage. Imagine I'm talking to my girlfriend there or nginontombazana enye ngiyayifuna ngibhizi ngiyayishela lapha. Ngena intwana enye lapha igcoke the way aqabanga ngakhona.
Yeah.
Isikhathi somamphile enye ne deposit wayidla yena azange athenge nesikiphi esitsha.
Yeah.
Yini into ezongenza ukuthi ngithi who is that? Your voice only doesn't just grab attention.
Yeah.
Yes, I can listen while I'm talking to this person.
Yeah.
But do you really want me to do that? Yeah. Or do you want me to focus on stage?
Yeah.
So how you dress,
yeah,
and how you portray. I remember this one time it's a complex, my brother, among to me, amasamende.
Yeah.
They were guys aba foroma guy.
Yeah.
Right? Nami ke ngendole ukuthi since I'm the boy alone, kusenghelebe lapho nalapho. And I can't wear according to 10 shades. So njengimntwana ngikhaya ngithabo nje. I feel ngishama clip nyana wami, short nyana lami lifila, ngi-invest nyana ne-cap. Masamende complex. My brother, someone saw me and took a picture.
Yes.
Mina ngithena ngicela ukuvuka ekseni sengiyavuka lapha bathi cha celebrity lini la ngemsi. My brother, I was dirty, yes, but then mina benginento leyo ukuthi u-10 shades is my work.
Yeah.
It's me choosing to have a career out of 10 shades.
All right.
Mara ngisesemntwana ka-3 man.
Yeah.
Like I have to do my chores.
Yeah.
It didn't hit me deep down with yoga positive.
Yeah.
But somewhere somehow kube nabantu abanye abangithatha less, like event organizers. It's the same as being everywhere.
Is that the reason why I'm an artist nhlala nifuna ukuzibona ni fresh noma ni store nje?
Yes.
Because I feel like it needs to take more serious than abanye, because nina it doesn't matter, especially about rapper. Rapper ngathi bawes.
Yeah, rapper bawes. Really.
Yeah.
You have to look smooth.
But since kufike era mapiano, it seems like almost everyone. Even ama DJ nyana, but most I would say I'm an artist. Most of our artists, yini ngathi nisithatha more serious when it comes to brand.
Not all.
Yeah.
Mina ngikhelebe ukuthi ngithome nginjani.
Yeah.
Rapper.
Yeah. Okay.
So that never changed. I'm still gonna rap.
So I guess that's the reason why
I continue with the version.
As ngibheke nabantu abaqale nge-hip hop mapiano.
Yeah.
I wonder there's a lot of hip hop artists abaqale from baqale hip hop and then bavela mapiano. And ngibheke ne-dress code yabo. It's still hip hop, but i-sound changile. The only thing that changile is sound kuphela.
Only.
Do you think labantu laba you about influence the rest of abantu bakule genre le ukuthi yazini? When it comes to dress code, so
nah, it comes with what you believe in.
Yeah.
Mina inspire more by Oscar Mbu when it comes to dress code.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to look fresh. I can imagine ngihlala na Tamani Santen Mall lapha. Ngihlala na Tamana fail ngizoba disappointed.
Yeah.
So looking at him and how he dresses, mina even if I'm not booked, you will see with the Tamani.
Yeah.
Because since that day imposed lapha ngabona ukuthi okay ngiyazi.
Yeah.
Because mina bengingakhona ukuphila impilo yobucelebrity.
Yeah.
Mina bengizitshela ukuthi umuntu uzo understand ukuthi Tamani nje akasi celebrity. Nje Tamani uthabo nje. Mntwana umuntu ubereka ekhaya. Kanti ifan ayiqali ngalelo.
No, iflop ukuthi noma even if usesisikazi, but now pusha kuba ne fan base oyibuildayo.
Yeah.
Kuba ne fan base oyibuildayo.
Yep.
It's just that ngoba sahlala endaweni eyi-1 and stuff, kuzoba obvious maybe nabanye maybe abazokubona ngathi uyazibona kancane na uqala uhlala ufuna ufresh why. It happens to everyone, yabona. But once wabuilda i-fan base kancane, ukhumbule kunabanye aba-inspire lapho. There are some people abafuna ukwenza the same thing oyenzako. So bahlala babheke wena umuva, abakutsheli, abakhulumi nawe, but bakufollowa, bakulandele. Sometimes ungahlangana nomuntu umbona agqoke nje ngawe. Kanti wena wazi ukuthi umuntu lo uyakufollowa kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukusithola.
I get that a lot.
Yeah.
I have fans who follow me for my music. I have fans who follow me for my dress code.
Yeah. Because when it comes to dress code, now I noticed very 2018, 2019. There was a time I think we're share cool my shirt.
Vele lapho bengizokulimaza vele. Lapho be-t-shirt elinye namanje alikho estolo namanje. I believe a lot in street market.
Yeah.
The time I was in Pretoria at Tshwane College, I met this other boy called Tukolo Mkatsani.
Yeah.
Ntwana baby, Free State, Ntwana vele push his part like a plungu vele. To the point that he sold those clothes, went to Joseph strictly to buy those clothes. Ngisazozithengisela that. So angeke ngikhame nomuntu oshaye ama vintage mina ngigqoka iReebok akukhonakala, so I had to change. Kanti uyangihelebha uyangikhomba ukuthi kahle kahle nje ayami wena ugqoka different.
Actually I've ngibhekele music video le actually besazokhuluma ngayo but le bashimane ne ngigqoka ama Nike lapha. I see namanje ugqoka Nike. So I'm wondering ukuthi umuvela to kancane umuvela to dress code yenkompo or what?
That's official, my brother. When official receive mfowethu uthanda brand.
Okay.
Mfowethu mina bengizithengile into zami, mfowethu avela ngeset ye Nike. Ayingathina ngimbona, and that time we have the same money.
Right.
We have the same, we had like cut off what we got from Bashimane first payment.
Alright.
Yeah, now ngena ngeset, my brother. Spent like we're going at 9,000 mfowethu. Mfowethu uhlambe first was part. Uhlambe first. Mfowethu waphuma first angakhiphi nama price tag. Jami vele, he looked like a superstar. I mean, I'm start polo, ngachiye moli, ngathoma nami ngathi jama yazithi, because like I said, I'm not ignorant. I know I can see what's gonna work. And this is a lifetime thing. Music video is work on forever. I'd like to not spend money ngisebenzele, spending ngiliwani. Spend about 7,000 because ishit leli lotto is 1.2. I would never buy such on a normal basis. Mina ngimuntu lo ezoziyela street market ngithola iski shirt elinya likho, ngithola ibruku elinye vele ngilami ngiyiwani. Ngishaya ngebhathu kulang investor khona. But then that night it happened ukuthi I had to maneuver to the boys mindset. And
but I won't lie, it feels good ukunibona neza something out of music way. Because after spending so much time in my artist studio from way back, it feels good to know ukuthi sekunabantu bokuthi kuba nama payment about because the only option was just my events wasekasi kuphela if I'll book you lapha nginanensi, but I can see khona manje ukuthi sinama option ngaphandle we events. So kunama events ngapha sengazi ukuthi okay, we might get something yana ama royalties, or maybe we might get an opportunity in track so that is something as I expect ukuthi izoyenzeka just khona manje, like after a few years. If someone asked me maybe 2018 2019 would you think like 5 years or 6 years from now I'm an artist wangapha will be talking about ama royalties or bakhuluma ama brand so umuntu akhona khuluma ukuthi yazi kunomuntu osona so ufuna i-feature like azange ngicabanga lento leyo.
Times are changing.
No?
How you were asking something?
You would feel kanjani now nobona maybe your peers or just anyone nje uhleli relaxile ukuthi okay this guy nginaye last week, now this week uthola ukuthi uthola opportunities esona so and there's the artist so artist so yosebenza nayo, and then now there's a possibility with now in future.
Well, the first person who gave me that vibe is Mr. Maker. Lentona ikula oh jiggy 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 oh yeah vela you see that song? Featuring Kelvin. Intona vele ngathi sisihlalele epic launch esiyabusa sisijayivela lapho umfana waTheju I just got my face page chat dog. Intona kwenzakalana Taju tamangcebo ngisengela 80,000 nje. Ngithi nangimbekile hayi bile president akagcuki ne 3,000.
So for the vocals like for Kula on that song,
for being featured on that song,
so shooting track le movie,
that song is like on 20 million views, bro. Like uyo ongaye igugu lokuthi yazini phela I started singing with the boy. It was me, no offense, no Lelo, no Lino, besitriphela Maker. It happened ukuthi ayokufunda eCape Town, ngisale lana ufenza weSpane Town. Ulelo nakabuya ubuya nejigijigi umfana yatrena yenzani. I mean, I'm still a local artist, still performing where I can. Mind you, I'm the only artist ngithi seyithola amakigabaya. Because mina ngiberekisa ubuso, not ingoma. Mfana wathi president ngicela ukuthola into ebiyana ejona Hennessy ngeyakho. I was like, dude, are you serious? Did you get that money? I think nayi Hennessy ngeyakho. And I remember a posa at a pub, it's gonna be like 1 point something hennies.
Yeah.
So that gave me courage. It's just that ukuthi sithola abantu wrong, abazipushela bona bathola imali bese basitshela ukuthi sithole lokho. Mara I mean, the only person who has given me money out of my music, it's Official RSA.
Yeah. But that's good. That's good. Like it was nice for now, social media, like every like my big influencers, nama A-list, ama celebrity nje. Nongena ngapha vele. Well up.
Yeah.
But sazofika lapha singena ku studio session.
Asa.
Studio session. Sharp. Process yakho yokubhala track.
Everyone must be quiet.
Yeah.
Nanga uyacula, keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
I was at the point whereby I should remove everyone.
Yeah.
But then I understand ukuthi kahle I'm an icon.
Yeah.
Kunabantu abafisa ukungibona ngiqala into. So I decided to just keep everyone to just observe. But my rule, my first rule, keep quiet.
Yeah.
Angifuni happily. I don't want that.
Yeah.
Like keep quiet. Stop. Angisho ngiyarecording yaqeda, you'll proceed. So it happened with at least all studio sessions, vele I have that respect.
So usually you prefer to figure studio uthole amabhisi akho you choose from lapho ukuthi okay wenza so or ufika so ubhalile or ubhala from a studio lapho and then from lapho produce yaqala prefer kanjani?
If nginesikhathi, we start something here.
Yeah.
Because ngibelieve ukuthi if ngiyaqula, you will have melodies to start with.
Yeah.
For the likes of Jonty nanginayo uthoma nje, and then asisebhiza ahlanganisa rere mina already ngiyabhala, and then I sing it out loud to give him a clue.
Wait, uJonty unokushaya like my private school piano.
Jonty does everything.
Serious?
Everything.
I think I've only heard hip hop. Yes, hip hop R&B.
Jonty does everything. Jonty has a song with Lady Do.
Yes.
Yeah, does everything, my boy. So Nglisa, even Official, the Bashimane track, he was busy, and I was writing and singing to him.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it came about. Usually, if I'm not scared, we choose.
So usually when it seems like I'm in the studio, I'll think to be my name.
No.
I guess you just prefer to go away. Producer.
But it's never that case.
Because
it's never that case. They're always gonna be there. Some of them are dismissed. So
yeah, I think maybe but most especially I'm a non especially era whether piano, hip hop, whatever. I feel like it's studio session. It's a party before the gig.
Yeah, not mine.
Yeah,
mine it's a gig and then party after. Yeah, because I'd like to, especially when it comes to a gig performance. I'm more spiritual than doing a song.
Yeah,
mostly ngifuna ukuba lapha studio ke.
Yeah,
ngisuke ekhaya ngegig. And the worst part nangifika egig ngihlala ngiyi-one.
Yeah,
I don't like to be spoken to because if voice sami itcha fast.
Yeah,
like that's why I don't even take more than 3 gigs per night.
Okay.
Because I don't like singing the 4th one. Telling it in high note like I don't like that.
But then what was like the recording process le track Bashimane? Na record kanjani ke?
Hey, this one is a story. My boy bekafasile. Mina ngiyajola, bengijola actually. My girl is in town. Sininkinga yokuthi akabamba ifoni sharpu for 6 years nyana. I called her at 2 o'clock yamasa. Siyasela. Sele mina. Studio vele. Mina ngilala esofeni. Ngiyafonela ubaby akabamba ifoni. Ubaby ayibamba. Hello. I don't know if it was network or unguye angiziva. Next thing, he drop ifoni ngiyamfonela ifoni icimile.
Yeah.
Enyimbi zami zaphuma Grootman ngithola.
Yeah.
Because like singiyabona ukuthi ngenzeka bayamtamata nomuntu ngomama. Izona yababhlungu vele ukuthi
abazala zikhazi baba.
Wasiphatha usePitori, lo muntu uhlala eCentral, eFlatini, ngomama. It's a Friday, Grootman ngithola. Izona yababhlungu blind vele ukuthi kanti why would you answer your phone after 4 missed calls? Kwelesi 5 uyayiphendula uthi hello kwelesi 6 uyayicima. Ngabona ukuthi la ngisalala. Isikhathi esiselana. Black juice. Black label. Zingishaye avusa Official. Athe presence vele. Fana wavuka. Fana wathi Jodin Tsangu. Nakaphuma ungithele vele luckily he could see that I'm in an emotional state.
Yeah.
What the braga din tang karong anula braga char fu. Kibuletse le na tima fu. Arjo no want to see tsira braga nastulu.
Yeah.
Vele mfana uthi okay ngiyenza so wakhe wayenza ngathi from la Brazil shaya into yakho.
Yeah.
Mfana washaya into yakho then wahamba yolala.
Yeah.
And then mina ngakhontinue ngabhala and then ngalala vele ifuna mila. I remember athi ama snaps ama photo nama clips ekuseni nangivuko yangikhomba ukuthi buka bolele njani. Click sharp angithatha ngibeka ngalala kahle ngivasa ingubo go 8 waphuma bebambise somewhere. There was a boy called Nero mfana wafika ngathi ngicela ungirecord ngashaya ingoma umfana nakabuye wayilalela played it the whole day. Sasa kakhona wayiposta ku TikTok at 1,000 posts. Reposts on TikTok. That's too much. From there, kwavela untombazana Bubbles. Bubbles naye nangimbuza ukuthi kuze njani ngicabanga i-dance challenge le athi mina vele ngiyajiva. Singayenza lo mjive, people took it as a dance challenge and then it worked.
Azange ngibone uyishaya uyakwazi ukuyishaya nhle.
Ibile mina sengishaya indaba ngisho maye mina I don't like doing what people do. The shades is I stick to being different at all times. Uzoyibona ukuthi yiyo mara inyawo lami ngeke likhame the way. Angeke mara yiyo. So I'm vele excel kakhulu because I performed that song a lot of times.
So that means this song was inspired by
me.
By
the ex.
Yeah, by the ex.
By the heartbreak.
Oh, yeah.
No.
I guess man just was.
I don't even wish she could know because I pay like a clue. 6 years is a lot. Not a lot of girls can just throw 6 years away.
But out of that 6 years, you got a hit. Song.
Out of that 6 years, one night, out of many nights doing the same thing, I got a hit. I was happy with that girl, dog. 5 years young, happy. She moved to town, fellow Washavala. Yeah.
Yes, so after that, I should have done next. But then I'm 100% sure.
We did see each other.
But I'm sure Tena ngene ku TikTok.
What so?
Basibathini.
Brazil lokho ngiyakubona. There was a time whereby ahlele Romini kunamajita ahleli le phansi le. Felt like lile kuma flow 6 ale phansi ashaya ngepholo elirasako. Shimariba atumela. Ngimam angishayela iclip nyana. That time we see up live. Because sing find out thile ukuthi during lesikhathi ufike town ungenzini kulo kufika umuntu akutamata. So vele I don't give a fuck ukuthi inhle ngitshelani ngenze ukuthi azange ngisangena vele lapho kusengayilalela iclip ngathi ngahada ngaphuma ra.
Ehle ngathi nama artists mele phula inhliziyo kancane ngabe kumele kutholakala ama hit. Awangibheka usijaba ukuthi ama hit wakhe aphume kangakanani from
conscious singers. And I mean love. Vele siba inspired by heartbreak. Not every guy.
And by musical nature, I feel like that's like it's a heartbreak song like that. They are trading on. I have a feeling which is something happened. Really,
obviously.
I don't think Jumana of where I paraga.
Nah. I asked him, is my boy. Lisang fanga tinjaya mbanyana. Plus kimu paid. Dari mana banyana gigilumay banyana kimase. Banyana isluji shabu.
But my ex la made no abong.
No. I'm good. Especially if you made sure that we break up. I mean, right now things have changed. You were supposed to stick by my side, but you still wanted me away from you. It means I'm not good for you. Or it means vele because it's lugana vele. But now the unfortunate part, you were right by my side when I had nothing. And then now I have something. All the dreams I wished and everything I wished, you think I'm going to do.
Do you also work nama writers like studio?
Yeah. Sometimes I'm open to everyone writing for me actually because we have different experiences. I mean, when we won, and worst part, those people who I give chances like that, it's always dope. Official is a writer. There's certain songs I give him a chance. I know especially at his age. And then
give a collaborator any vocalist.
It's Pixie L. Vocalist or female vocalist?
Female vocalist, male vocalist doesn't matter. Just mutokula around.
Yeah, I've done that with Bob Mapena. I've done that with Pixie L. Noglunga. I was about to with Cheese Busy, but it happened with Eskom Yasbalekela when he's about to record. But I'm sure he's gonna get that with. Yeah.
Okay, so Angel, Sharp recorded a few songs a studio grand.
Yeah.
How do you know what okay? Lakona, I think we have a hit song.
My brother, you want to prepare Brazil.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the reason why I don't go to studio every day, I go to studio probably once a week.
Yeah.
Probably after 2 weeks. Like I haven't been to official for like 3 weeks now.
Yeah.
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 I believe with the moment I touch the mic,
yeah,
there must something dope that must come out.
Yeah.
And every song that I've done in my life, hit songs. It's just that kuphume why. Mara mina gimi. If I had the right distribution from day one, my brother mina all my songs, because ingoma zami like I'm like Java. All my songs, there's something I'm talking about that relates to the next person. I don't have any song that's normal. Maybe ngikhuluma ngama garage or ngikhuluma ngama like anginayo ingoma simple.
So you think ukuthi even some of the previous songs as before, if maybe
I can drop, I know them for a fact.
And now as push I
perform them and I see the crowd. Remember I told you that I perform a new song that people don't know. I perform songs that I'm 100. You perform. I want to see the crowd.
And what difficult to perform like a crowd or like especially if it's like a corner, I see that popular. I'm not really blind, but it's not that popular.
My brother, I'm performing ngoma ezingazi popular ke. Zonke. Abazazi. Yizwa ngami. Oh, Mr. Shoes, that's the most hardest thing for an artist to perform for people who are drunk, to perform for people who don't love music. It's the hardest thing for an artist.
What is the perfect time for your sound?
My 10 shades.
Yeah, for perform, not the for it.
12.
12.
Everyone is there.
For Lapo, is it like for my check work or there are certain songs of feeling maybe I should perform them maybe around 8 or
no. Since I perform, I record every genre. There's certain songs of deep house I don't usually perform at that time. Because Namias understand with Nangabe 12 o'clock nje. Kuhle nje ngifuna. Chuduna nje ngifuna ukujive blind. So I'm going to choose songs that are suitable for that time slot. And in these days whereby I know for if it's Sunday, Sunday I would like 8 to 9.
Okay, nyanbona lama I would say I'm a pop. Very most of them are pop and stuff. Nyanbona no can move around on my pop. I'm not sure what I'm up manji Ashisa and stuff. But since these things are we
Plan B.
But Plan B, Plan B about deny. Ngaphandle kwalawo amapha manje no perform you
like us
around KwaNdebele well accepting the seed of Jason Rocker.
There's Mementos.
Oh
There's in the Epic Lounge but there's Epic Lounge. There's Plan B. Plan B is the one currently running. There's Dinangwe as always, and there's Ntunji.
Okay.
There's Gwaruki.
So not just KwaNdebele, I've noticed ukuthi your vele indawo enibona opportunity your performance you as artist. Lapha ne.
Hometown.
How difficult is it for you ukuthi ngithole like ama corporate gigs?
Corporate gigs, you mean like outside KwaNdebele?
Let's say uze bathi a showground or whatever, maybe kuzwakala iCoca-Cola. Iyeza khona la
or ANC.
Yabona iyazwakala khona lapho maybe lese kuzoba na something la and then so once in a while sometimes nginokubona maybe kube like fana maybe kuma events ongahamba sometimes nobona kuba nama live band for instance yabona and then uthola ukuthi maybe ad break nyana badlala kancane yabona but abadlala ama track obvious badlala the popular songs for especially ama corporate gigs usually nabantu abadala yabona abantu abadala and stuff but eDinangwe yabo Plan B I do see abantu mina okay azange lapho Plan B but seeing from my pictures even okay Dinangwe ngidana khona obvious bengiya khona nangibheka ama pictures I can see ukuthi bakhona abantu aba over 30 nabantu aba over 40 lapho
they are there.
So chances are some of the people nabe Dinangwe baba khona kuma corporate gigs or even our event ANC EFF or whatever yabona
It's a mix.
Yeah. So I'm assuming ukuthi nani ngakhona ukuthola ama slot khona lapho.
Yeah. Well, like for me, it's quite unfortunate. Me, I'm one person. I don't know what's wrong with the people who view my life.
Right.
Umuntu bona ngathi it's wrong to give me 15,000.
Right.
You prefer ukulanda laba zobanikeza ma 5,000.
Oh.
Trending as I can. La minikasi la minikasi.
Okay.
Akuna muntu wanka 5,000 la kwaNdebele.
Yeah.
That time I charge 10 now.
Okay.
Ayakho umuntu ibile since ngicharge 10. I haven't received any gig like us.
Right.
Because 10 it seems like it's not appropriate to give u10 shades. I mean, 10 shades ngasingela phuthi nawe ngimbona. But you won't hear me perform there. And worse, the very same people who don't give me the money that they have, because I'm a big artist.
Yeah.
Present, I'm always allocated ku poster enye ezokumangaza. Igama nama artist amanye afuna ama 70.
Yeah.
Mara umuntu phela kungayi10.
Yeah.
So with me, it goes back to who am I and what do I want.
Yeah.
It's fine. If right now you belittle me, I leave it to God.
Yeah.
And I put God in my heart. Namina ngizohamba ngizokuya Argentina ngizohlala la.
Nani babuza bathi why? Bathi yini problem?
I don't have to ask you why ungithatha kancane. Angisho mina ngiyakhona ufike event la ngigayi 200 the entrance.
Yeah.
Why wena unyazi ukuthi ngizoqulela abantu for 10,000?
Yeah. So is it only just ama artists or the same thing yenzeka na kuma DJs?
Yo, amanje my brother sonke sibona ama DJs khuluma la onhlanga.
Around kwaNdebele.
Khuluma kwaNdebele sikhuluma ngama 800.
Yeah.
Akuna artist ezongitshela la kwaNdebele.
Yeah.
Akuna DJ ngangiqala emehlweni nje uthi ngithola 2,000 ayinkhona. La kwaNdebele. Uzwile ngithini? 100 I20.
What about the big events?
Hey Grootman.
Come on.
Hey Brazil.
Yeah.
La kwaNdebele.
Yeah.
Akuna muntu uzogaya i2,000 for love.
Phela manje sikhuluma ama events phela nama sponsor.
Hey
like
Grootman.
Serious sponsors.
I'm serious. Phambi koNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyatshela. There was this one previous event whereby we got our payments late.
Yeah.
Brazil, I ended up seeing myself as a president of KwaNdebele because everyone who was there as a local artist was asking me, my brother, did you get paid? Frequently. My brother, that time mina ngicharge malini 5K.
Yes.
You are. Mama, bona ngiyazi ngisho ukuthi bakhamba lapha kubo 8 kubo tower so but they haven't got paid.
Yeah.
Imagine if abakhona ukugayitawa bakutshela ukuthi we have problems competitive whatever. Mara you gave Cowboys 30,000, you gave Mahu 70, you gave Casper 90, you gave Limeg 80. Then mina as a local artist who's trying to be out there to try to do a living, 10K my brother, 10K. Inkinga zami lezo, unangiqeda ukuthola 10K le, unghelebhe kakhulu. Tamani ukuthenga ama Nike, ama Air Force amanye i20 anawo already. Mina brother ngiyobhayela umntwana sekhaya samthinga nganayo. Ngale 10,000. So when it comes to my brother ama fees la kwaNdebele,
I'm sure ukuthi lama artists la a charge like let's say ba charge about 80,000.
Yeah.
If Baba guy discount, I don't think Baba guy less than 50 corner, like less than 50 or 40 corner.
Akuna artist elikhulu elingavuma ukuthi lithi ligade ethi wena ufike ku50 livume. Alikho.
But then nakunjalo why banga let's say because bangibona amanye ama poster khona uthola maybe kulabo ma like 7 or 8 yama headline. Yama A-list straight. So now cabanga why banga cancel at least one. Just one phela and then from
that. My brother, just make a budget for locals. My brother, mina abantu engiphila nabo laba bathi ma local artist. Yazi 2,000 ngayijabulela njani? Umnikeza idawa kunamanye ama event like us you don't even get deposits. Umuntu akutshela ukuthi uzokubhadala ngecomputer ticket. You go there with your own money, you dress yourself, you cut yourself. Uyangithola? Nofika lapha akutshela ukuthi ride alikhamba nosibani bani. Bese nakaqeda akutshela ukuthi usibamba nofikile jama uzoperforma after yena. After all parking uphake kude khulu. Uphake kude khulu my brother. Bese nawuqeda lapha expect ukuthi you're going to give a phenomenal performance. Loya afike ayenze into normal. Perform songs that you have in your phone, perform songs that your even little sister knows. Akana ne exclusive nyana kushaya ngayo da. Ne one. qeda la performing ingoma ezi5 ahambe ne8 mina my brother ngiyoshaya ingoma ezintsha ongazazi ngiyokhuluma nenhliziyo yakho my brother ngiyokujayivela indlela ezinyanye kuzijive ngisho nebekhini nabangangistadisha kangakanani ngike basishaye bese ubhayela ungayi 10,000 it's all the love that you have for your hood. You like, I feel like I'm event organizers. I'm allowed to call them as artists. Cause now ulambi. Ukhulume nosibani wakha imali. Wena ubona ngathi angideserve. And like I said, ngishiya kuNkulunkulu kunelinye ilanga uzohosta kuza abantu abayi3 ungunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalini. Zinhliziyo lezo zangu zicabangela. Sometimes if you are an event organizer my brother if you trust yourself akubeke wena lapha sibona. Kungana big artist. Akubeke wena lapha sibona uthi 200 egedini.
Hey. But I have a feeling this thing is going to be. It seems like I think kuma customer because not big ama interviews, not big ama localities kwezi indawo. Nina the same story nonke. Same story. Yeah.
Komhlanga my brother is not a low. It's a developing class.
Yeah.
My brother komhlanga it has so much potential for everyone. La kunemali eningi kakhulu. My brother kunama event organizer akhona ukuthola sponsorship set ma 3 million.
Yes.
La Ndebele. Mara I local artist lokuthola 800. I ambassador le behelp ukubeka ejamela before wela bekhipha ama flyer ngithembise 600.
Yes. So that means the hlwanga uma to clipanyana net lapho nje.
Usazoziyela le abakakhayirela koloyi. Usazoziyela. My brother there's this kengaya the first gig outside KwaNdebele eMabopane to sing lounge Lux Lounge. My brother tamani zone nge 1.8. It's not tamani ne nakhona ngisaba because angiyazi manje leyo. Ngiyangimama tamani ngathi my brother ngicela unkayi 1.8 cela unkayi neka master Shafid khuluma wankaya 1000 deposit nangiyalile ngisele nge800 baze ngaperform to my best ability. Nice stage present the crowd the women bengiqala ukubona indawo igqala abafazi ngale ndlela mina Lux Lounge abafazi abakhona afford the entrance fee 250 kugqola imoto abafazi badlula amadoda Lux Lounge yangithola my brother tamani ngiqeda ukuperforma phezulu kwe 1.8 layer I'm left with 800 amount 1.5 kathi Brazil ubona insendetse bukai re deserve it.
Yes. Is it because of outside now?
It's because of he saw what I did.
Yazi ngisho la mfowethu I'm sure you impressed ne.
That wasn't the first time Gera.
Okay.
No, 1.8 layer ngithome ngathi 1.5 the first event he gave me. The second one ngathi 1.8 tamani ngathi 2.5.
No yazi ngithi what if nangabuza ama local artists walapho thola ukuthi it's a different story for them. Thola ukuthi into okhala ngazo la around le bakhala ngazo ngala. So wena ngoba ufikile lapho wazoshisa and ubuya somewhere else mhlambe
that's why he did what he did.
It's possible.
It is.
I'm not saying ukuthi you don't deserve it.
No, I do. It's even
because knowing the way perform I'm sure what you do.
That time, that was last year actually. Tamani my brother, ngithena ngimbuza ukuthi jo umfile extra man. Or brother, did you see your performances? Remember, ngemva kwami Team Express. I was an opening act for Team Express. The way the crowd cheered. Remember mina phela nangifike endaweni enye. La ngaziwa umuntu ngifuna ukubona ukuthi why am I 10 shades? Why? Like us bakhona abantu abayi100 aba already they know what I'm going to do. Laba was next. Akunabashimana that time. Lapho yini lapho. Present thina ngifike lapha ngathoma ngaleza bu R&B. Hambe noski wangishayela live guitar. Present ngashaya bu ingoma yaleza bu Miguel labo. Tamani hosta ngisande kuphela. Tamani ngimthumela ngamshaya nge20 minutes live performance after that ngamshaya ngepiano. Tamani ngimshaya futhi. Big artist like yena fika lamshaya ingoma ezi5. Athatha 80 or 20 or 40. So kuyena it happens ukuthi event organizer le eqalile ukuthi marathon dimani ubuya kwaNdebele ipetrol yakhe tamani uspend 400 mina ngizomgaya 1.8 okay namhlanje ulande 800
Ngicabangela.
Tamana 2.5, tamana ngihamba wathi ibhodlelo, tamana ngihamba wathi nje ushota kanga. But eBrazil nakuyaje tamana 2 plata. Angaziba. Akakafuni ne-PDF, tamana akafuni ne-invoice. He's giving out of love.
No, you're right. Lapha angikusoli, but to be honest now yabona no performer endaweni ukuthi bangakwazi fund why. Sometimes I think vele not dilena ama promote ukuthi inhlangano just ngapha kuphela. It's easier. I problem around ngapha ukuthi ngikhule nonke nayazana and stuff. Abanye ngidilize nonke, abanye maybe ngihlala on the same street or abanye maybe I don't know, maybe if ngine sontweni one. So sometimes unyatsana sometimes okunye kuba net khona net lab. Yabona, that's one of the reasons why, to be honest, ngagcina sengithatha less ama gig groove, especially after COVID. Ngathatha le decision le ukuthi groove ngizothatha less. Yabona, I think mostly la ngisawathatha mikwezinye indawo ngaphandle because le ndaba leyo ukuthi every time event nayiphela umuntu ada issues nawe uyabona manish. Ayabona maneshi i-crowd azange ngihlangane efandiwani.
Kanti somuntu kipe 500 ku VIP
line. And manje mina ke angidlali phezulu kwenyuku ke.
Mina ushebe mina my brother ushebe mina ngimzulu. Even I've seen a video Black Coffee slapping someone for like ngemba. Ngiwa ngayiqeda ukuthi tamana umtshela istory ngemali. Tamana umtshela ukuthi ebraka nyuka kwawo enyuka ehlakano uthini. So now it goes back to Mina every situation that comes with music or events, that's vanning in chachinja. I've hosted events before. Mina ngiwan vanning is buzuguti. If I was in that guy's shoes, mina, gipete class to 500 budget or 300,000 budget. What was I gonna do? Was I gonna prioritize to have 8 headliners, or was I gonna prioritize to have more all local artists and just have 3 headliners? Mina. And mina manda mina sewukhuluma nomuntu walayitsha abantu abayi9 bayegigini lami ikolo yami ye 5 seater mina ke ngahamba nama DJ ayi9 mina ngisuka la ngiya kwaPinki ko eTofantin B2 ngihostile rato ngitong tho ngicela ukudrop ya I mixtape angibize bathi sicela wenze something abrara 9 mula deep casino working man gifted disco go 9 my brother 9 anangaqedi ngisazolanda abafazi ngiyabalanda mina abangangini imali yakho. So imagine if I had that type of money. So if other places they do the same thing, ukuthi wena uzokunikeza ibig artist imali enyengaka, and then mina I'm not even asking 20% of that money. Big artists charge. Charge.
That's the reason why I feel like this is gonna be something I'm a promoting about for a very long time.
Very long time.
So
I'm gonna change that one day.
I'd suggest for now, once I pick something up, I'd suggest just make sure every performance now we are calling it that. Just try and find someone locally with a camera or even an iPhone. Doesn't matter. Record a performance, especially now we want to cut
blind.
Make sure you record performance loud. Choose the best parts while my performance loud. After every gig, you just lashela social media.
Promote yourself.
Blind. Is push ukuthi uthola my gig ngaphandle.
Kurtman being a patalwa. Local. Living its own Maliam. But now, now figure event in Utolama, abafazi nabayithela bathi taka take tong. So singing. I'm talking about previous last year events. Kuqeda ukuphuma bashimana Grootman. I'm not gonna mention that event. Mara bekatata imani ezwa ingoma midlala by 9 consecutive DJs. Guitar. Awangiphukhanga mina. Because le 5,000 ubona ngathi ngiyayitiza. Remember ngishaya ngecraft, ngishaya ngeprofessionalism. Unangibhekile uyangibona ukuthi ngiyayifuna vele 5,000. And le performance yami iyayideserve le mali leyo. Uyangithola bese vela azange ngiqhabange. Mara ngafika taprime ngamgaya 200 egate uplaka ngangena ta show ground my brother ngangena ngarelax ngabheka. Grootman nangena already bangitshoti my brother ingoma yakudlala 3 times. Ithi ngisakhuluma nabafana basangibhunkela basenzana bafuna ngiba ejo isithute senzeni asithute whatever badlala umunye futhi uyayidlala. Ngitshela nangumuntu odlala iAfrotech ingoma yami uyayidlala because that song I didn't make it as normal.
Have you ever thought about when my version or corner like Another mixed version, maybe let's say Afro tech.
Yeah.
Maybe another mixed version, deep house or something.
Yeah. Grootman ngizotropa this year. Nethi this year manje akuna remix. Oh, ikhona i-one. Aribineka diteki. Aribineka diteki mana mzwala.
Yeah.
Yelelelele.
Exactly. I did that. Asipuyele lapha asipuyele kule bashimani,
Yes.
Isample if angisiwrong. Right?
According to people's ears. Mina nangiyenza bengaqabangi nomnikazi engoma.
Yeah.
Grootman.
Because ngifuna ukubuza ngalo ukuthi were you supposed to clear the song?
We did clear.
Oh, okay.
That's why there's no query by now.
Okay.
Mina Grootman lapha ngiqabangi chuti gitenang sa recording ngoma leya. Akukhuluma ding recording ngo8. Ngena anamana te jo nonne jo.
Yeah.
Kahloko ke kaka.
Okay.
You get. Then wavela inki nonne tlo. Then automatically God gave me mala le mogodu iskole kwethu. If you can listen to that song, I use 3 words there. Kinonne tlogo mala le mogodu iskole kwethu.
But isn't that something ukuthi angazi man sort of like angazi ukuthi sizibiza this thing sesebancane abantwana bebazikhuluma ka so.
Exactly. I knew that song from scratch.
From konje bathu bani Candy ne?
Yeah. Candy Tsamandebele.
Yeah.
Yeah, we spoke.
Because
she contacted me.
Oh, if I'm so wrong, at that time, she was a Kalao.
2013.
2013.
Yep.
Bega and I Kalao. So I'm assuming Uguchi Abantabani Ratele track could be.
They do.
Yeah, no. Oskido.
No. Oskido.
Oskido.
Yeah.
So that means Momeli would clear the song of Oskido.
He got it.
Okay.
That's why there's no query by now.
Yeah, because that is one thing I was worried about. I was like, okay, sharp. If they push her like Peleng as sister, but I was like, life figure corner. I hope we clearly this song.
I was never gonna.
Yeah.
I did a song and waited for Ofi to tell me, Guti, what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So we went to Sony.
Yeah.
Sony told us it's not a problem to clear the song.
Yeah.
It's Sony, Vision Active, NWS, they're like 6, the big distributions in worldwide.
Yeah.
So yet here's 3.
Yeah.
Oh, Sony first made us aware, which is not a problem.
Right.
And then we got Lagos 7s.
Yeah.
Sesine knowledge with Agnanking. Because they were contacting us a lot.
Yeah.
Those guys were like, let's send you the contract. Let's send you the contract. You get. Yeah. So now, Satoke, me and my boy had like a moment. My boy was like, dog, let's. They cleared it.
Yeah.
Hence, this song is 6 months old.
Yeah.
And the worst part, my people who wanted to say, the moment you listen to it, mina pelang pale second verse and the third verse. Lapho ngigijima ke lapho yini ke lapho ke khuluma ngamaraka amakhulu khuluma ngabosubeleli khuluma ngomfana ongabameli lapho I'm away from Kinonne Tlogo. That's when people started that's when people started shying away, which is not a sample.
Because I remember it's just the same flow, ne?
3 words.
But kahle invest akhona ihlubile kancane.
Too much.
Yeah. Vele ngithina ngizwa le part ngathi okay, this one I'm sure uthi ibhalile. But I was just worried ukuthi the first part ngakhawathi.
The chorus.
Usbu DJ Spoo. I just forgot ukuthi is it Remember When It Rains or Everything Happens for a Reason.
Yeah.
One of the 2 songs there between Remember When It Rains and Everything Happens for a Reason. Yeah, one of those 2 songs there's one azange iclear.
Yeah.
And then what happened? Why keep your sister blind? Way back, I think it was 2005 or 6.
Yeah.
So it's actually apparently as in the next because of Ngazanga clear. I think but take 100% very profit you want. By years are very like I'm assuming with Everything Happens for a Reason because of the original song I think of my R&B and so that one name.
He was ignorant. You don't do that. When there's a sample of a song, you make sure the person of that song is aware. So mina vele before ingoma leya iya kuphi nokuphi before ngiba nesiqiniseko sokuthi bayiclerile mina no Candy besesikhuluma. She's a big fan. Already ngitsho ku story se Instagram story se TikTok she's viewing because I'm sure my old woman is wondering ukuthi umfana lo uzanjani aqabanga into kanje, and I'm sure where she's at she can see that it wasn't me copying. It's something that came in my mind. And then if it's because of you in 2013, then God bless. It happened. Honestly, mina Grootman ngibuye crèche ngithola ikinona hloko bengicula Brazil ngo-2001 kina 6 years Grootman ngibamba bekangakahabi uyicabanga yena uyicabanga ngo-2013 ukuthi naye kunala ithethe khona Grootman and ingoma le nawungayilalela yakhe walalela yami bra mthana bengithatha isample yakhe yide khulu yide even when an MC does it it's long mina ngithetha amagama ayi-3 nginona hloko mana le mihudu ngesikole kwethu that's it
no I'm just glad ukuthi isuke ivule ama opportunity right
mina senginonile mina senginonile nethe ukuthi manje azikwenzakalani
but I'm patiently waiting for the day one way la azoba like straight like go mainstream straight abe one of the A-list stars like angenelele
like my boys
yangithola
official official is
yazi ngikhuluma kakhulu ngama artists it seems like it's a bit easier for my DJ producers and
stuff but for vocalists it's hard
Dudu ngenile Cairo ngenile official nayo uthi ngenile yangithola I'm waiting for the day one way azofika to level yabo youngster abuye khona
vocal ama vocalist
yabona
ayekho ngenini
or umrap
ayekho
umuntu uzofika kule level leyo
ungana producer any blind I don't know anyone
I'm one way because so far it seems like sine excess yama like most of you it seems like sine excess yama big artist noma ngingarecord now but it seems like sekunabanye bazingane so once anyone banomconsider ukuthi yazi let me try this guy for this because so record na official but kunabanye abantu already ba considerable for my track abo Daskilo nabo the same thing khona manje Jozi abo bana bo Pop nabo the same thing nabo vele abana Pop nabo Sanza the same thing nabo abo bana ngakhohlala ulilo way back when was it 26
Lilo was I don't know what happened
ulilo for me I think was the first one ukuthi actually recognition kuba artist yabona yes I know kunabanye ba before I'm sure kunabanye bazofuna unema ba before then but ngikhuluma about the artist with that level of success yabona usijava like the way wampusha ngakhona not just ngapha kuphela even ngoba ima interviews bengakhuluma ngayo ukuthi manje kunentwana esonga la
blind that's achievement
and I'm promise ukuthi every time nakezonale ngapha maybe na khona ukumfaka khona lapho uzomfaka lapho nalapho ngale nkathi one so you never know ukuthi bazone kanjani and stuff but I'm 100% sure ukuthi ukwazana nosijaba kumvulile like a few opportunities
somewhere somehow
baningi nonke yabona Bob nanga umapholisa nonke nawe ngale track lena yebashimane
this one actually haven't opened big doors because the door I thought it was open they played me
no but we are up yazi why ngisho so the song is still big.
It is. Let me trend for the rest of my life. It will
trend. I mean, check and while it's a flop so. Sometimes I'm a flop flop sometimes just accept it, okay? I'm no killer. Sharp.
We pass.
Marusa she's
blind.
Check is a blind. So now what can I do? Because i-track isisela ungarelax uhlala embedeni ukhale i-track izidlule i-track nasedlulile lapho la sokusuka khona yangithola now back to jika la ekhasi now usejika e-studio I mean una how many years record my track ithethe isikhathi singana I mean uyabona ukuthi
utholelile
yangithola
rising na 30 now 30 tracks
yangithola now ngiyomela ukule e-studio ukhumbule ukuthi yes ngisuke engahlala ngasikhile
eRomini
ngakhala kunokuthi ubesela ngasipalisa that moment tshela ke ubani ngi-inspirayo
right now I'm inspired by Scott Maboom I was inspired by Limek but Scott came through man Scott gave me life ntshintsha yami qala muzingicula simple kangangani man ayimina nhleli no lesi afika nangoshoes wagcuba incathulo ayinaka ma ring light yakutshela wena bathini bona trend that gave me life. It's simple cage dog. Just be cage, you get. Even and then one kazanangan consistency. So this year, you wanna get near Grootman you drop so. So every Sunday, vele kunengoma enye engizoyidropa ukuthi yenzani mina ngishikile. It's my PC, mina ngizodropa prior.
If yakusipanela then yenza kanjalo.
Grootman, I wanna meaning your drop every Sunday. 2 tracks, 1 track, 2 tracks to 1. Because I have a lot of tracks inspired by Scott. Big ups to the guy.
Yeah. Hopefully one day feature nyani izovela.
Yeah, hopefully. Nangeke nje njengabanye abantu
hayi
ngoba senza ingoma mara abasibizi nakuma music video.
Yabona nabathi umuntu bamfikisile ku-industry bakhuluma ngawe. Yawo uyizwile enhle kahle ukuthi industry kahle kahle ukuthi inokhawathana kanjani.
Ipraza mazakulimana. Now ne potential.
But I think bathi school fees.
Doesn't know the potential.
Yeah, should just have with the school fees. I'm not sure if didn't late to shop on that. But when is bakhuluma so but now so feel oh have school fees kancane.
Ayi usikhona ngisakhafi.
Yabona. And for me na ku grade now safe nge hit. Yabona.
Ayine hit ngakhona.
But ungakhohli wale sese hit kanjalo kumele umuve net so.
I mean, I'm present in thing one. I just need my own. I'm like studio something is after winning my competition at Chibu Gangbamba. In the studio equipment lapa. Mina, my advice to the people, I enjoy me forget about big artists.
No, come studio so. Do you have like any interest kuma production?
I shot man in the studio for like the Chibuka thing was like last year.
Yeah.
Razini Agazin is connect.
Why? Like, how not interest, or you just need someone who
Goed man, I'm full no kabafana. I'm full no kintona zam.
Yeah.
I'm full tona zam is in Zingoma, bese mina ngizenza ngati manje.
Yeah.
Ngazi very well ukuthi angikhono pressa mama.
Yeah.
Mina Brian, I'm a vocalist.
Yeah.
That's why I'm unmatched. Angazi ukuthi ungabe kubani lapha stage lapha.
Yeah.
Bese sihlangabezana one who go kungana auto tune kungana in cule nge mic esondweni. I mean Grootman, I'm unmatched. So I would like to continue with the power I think I have. Because one thing ngakhono pressa in your lekala.
Yeah. There's another song man. But TXC ne?
Yeah.
As Chige. Ihlangana kanjani track?
Basibiza lapha Safia apartment enkulu iglasi ibota icela ama ride amanye majo. Life is life. Kote wanted to be part of the song. Unfortunately, Sisi Drobile, Sharp, let's do something else. Sharp Fidi, umfana wathi is not in it. Sharp Fidi, ati Ken Dala Mapiti, Keti Piti, hello. Bathoma ngabhali verse, ngabhali chorus, Sharpu, but can we please put on Sihle? I could. I'm not lying. God is there. Ngeke ngakhuluma manga nginasikhathi samanga. Sharp Fade, Sihle pulled through, dropped in my verse. The song was too nice. Hence I have a video langing Sihle, Pela nama TXC. After that, became quiet for 3 months because it looks like Tana Babe involved the Gubashiman. There was going to be more better communication. 3 months later, it's a hit. Decided to feature PC. PC wafika lapho rearranged everything. I think because bekangekho kufika yena sekushintshile sengubridge manje. So never sebenza ngisekho. Shafere sengiyamentionwa ma fans. Wasn't even sent in the art cover. Abangisendelanga art cover. Ngithola ama fan bangimenshina, Shafere, what's happening? Hey, Joe, is this you? There's only one 10 shades. Okay, Shafere. Our Grootman Textela is the other twin, Claire. Claire texted. Worst part that day, I didn't even speak much with Claire. Kulmana lo terelo. Manje lo terelo ngati mhlobo lo ukuthi ufuna into yenzeke ngendlela yakhe ngibamba. So yena bekafuna ibashimani. So since ibashimani ngeke uthi ngilimele. Ngibamba
bekafuna ni remix.
Nah, just to be part of it. Since man is palika. Wakafakini focus. So funu bera. Shafere, I understand. Some people work like that.
Yeah.
Shafere, how? Grootman English, Amina. 3 months later, after the mentions, after being texted by Claire, wanting the lyrics, wanting everything, Shafere, how? Ngoma ngitecho, please don't break my heart. Ngizwe speaking, ngoma chenchile. Elungisendele, the girl had the remorse. Claire. Hence in favor yena kangawe ngibamba Claire wangisendele ingoma maphala ivesi lami lokuqala ebengilithembile Grootman alikho ngibamba ne sekusele leli lingaka balibeke ku bridge Shafere, angisho ngilokho ngisesengakhula ngisho. It's okay. Shafere how Khutmani balithatha balibeka nesekugcineni. Futhi la kune gungunggung alikho. Balibeke la kuthule khona. Ku bridge. Kama ngilibhale ku gungunggung mina ngilibhale kune baseline. Wena balibeke la babona ukuthi li right. Ngibam Shafere ngithi hayi man it's fine. Big artist lead. Ngibam ha Khutmani ngizanya mention hey wawungeke ku Trace. Wawungeke ku music video. Hey bani. Nangithi mention. Yey wena what's a picture music video? Hey, it's a visualizer, it's not a music video. Visualizer njani ku Trace muna. That's CK is not there, so we still gonna shoot the proper thing. Yabana, khale puchangle la mangeloi. Hey, present ngathi official ngathi umfowethu cala benzani bathi that's why ngalile. I knew this was gonna happen. Bese bafaka engomeni besilumele kana sibafekile. Kana nje sesingeke siphethe. When you did it present thana zange ngivula umlomo wami ngoma la manje ayikho. Kanje azange bezwe ukuthi kunento engathi bobobobo asijike, but because I put something on that song sihlela wayizwa wayithanda Khutmani mangazelanga ukurecord intombazana abantu. She's a family friend. Nangimam uzwe inamba yamshaya baba mina but then she sicela nangimam angimazi the time I swear to God. Lo Karen akona ungibuzila techo. Like, you don't know her? I was like, no, I'm too focused on Tenny Shades. Right now, I don't care about any artist but me. But okay, please give her a chance. I was very impressed. It was nice. Mom, I shall feel him. I was shy. But see two. The video I have, see two. Him who and check C. 3 months later, Segundo PC. Song is rearranged. Shafiri, leave them to God. God bless you. Ang achilanga next lapone 3 hours yakona ngiyazi. Iguma million views kona manje. That's why ngithi people may think ukuthi yeah asijike isikhuphukile. Hey, mina nginspire uScott Mapuma. Akuna artist enkulu ifikile lapha yathi hey wena bathini lapho izasikhele. Inspire uShebe Shit. Namanje akana ngoma ku radio, akana ngoma ku music video, ku TV. But he's doing it. So you would now I have a chance. God bless.
And my last question is what you need to prefer between a recording deal and signing yourself. So I guess
signing yourself, what do you mean?
Who's a signer?
Giving into Zambia. I Khutmani. Labantu laba banemkhubi emibi man. Unongisign Brian. I'm told.
Because I think so because that was my last question. And into school I can tell I don't think we'll fully recording deal. I think maybe I think la khona ufuna ukusigna, and if there's anything else, maybe just distribution deal.
If I get a recording deal, talk to me. I mina ngizwa wena. Ngisho ngomlomo. You talk.
But then are you registered kulama into labo
Samro and stuff? Yeah, Samro I am. But waiting for results because I'm decided late. Like I said, I wasn't focused on the songs.
It's
when I focused on Subam.
Okay. It's like layers are real.
Bashiman.
Nah. How difficult is it to be fired?
Hey, Khutmani kunokubunyeke lapho ke. Khutmani ungayifaki re ingoma yakho ku playlist angithola. Hey, wena decide lo muntu okhuluma isindebele or okhuluma isilungu sakhe ngoba yi presenter ukuthi ayidlala. But it take time. Like I don't know if there's money for that. And worse, I have like 4 tracks on radio.
Okay.
Who didn't even struggle? Because they are part of the Ndebele nation. Ongokwezi my songs are playing, but people don't know their mind. They don't know. But Bishimane is straightforward. The piano, it's paid. So it's not playing on radio. And I don't think I'm on by playlist still, man. I was told by Fagi Marazange by live. So it's only played on TV, of which our craft is actually on that.
No, as in shit.
Yeah.
I think it's enough for today.
Away.
But I can tell we might have a part 2.
I don't know.
We might have a part 2 mhlambe soon yani push kancane push ezinye izinto kancane. You never know, you might have another hit khona manje Easter or winter or whatever push kancane. But still ma stress into ezibhaya, you have a hit okwenzekile yabona i-track le isashisa, do whatever you can while i-track le isashisa uyangithola.
God.
Why anything ubona ngathi ngakuvulela opportunity, anything ubona ngathi vele ingakuthatha from la ikuse to the next level, ichuna khona manje okwenzekile Yeah, phuma lapho, and then from lapho ubona ukuthi ngenza kanjani. But learn from wonke amaflow ohlelekile. Ngithola.
Yeah, ayilaba bangikhawulile.
Avoid repeating the same mistakes.
Never. I don't believe in mistakes actually.
Lokho kona ungakwenzi lokho because of nokwenza la kunala uzoya khona uzohlala ukhala waye. Every day uzohlala ukhala waye.
And for the record,
Grootman
mina ngisisizwe. Grootman ngiyanona, umuntu onona kakhaya. Right, Brian. But I just want the viewers and my people to understand what's happening. And nokuthi nabanye laba ngiyakhumula sisi esikolweni. Bafunde ukuthi basazokhabulile, basazokufaka e-studio bangatshelwa for call. Babatshele ukuthi is a visualizer.
Asivale kahle busy ngano play night. Skipani. Maybe by the time I drop a video there, and then from la into zakhona zabe sesibusy or
I'm gonna drop more music. Every poster you see Tenishi is on was with the movie. I'm gonna continue being a phenomenal performer. I haven't reached my goals yet. By the
way, the brotherhood and impact and Mula keep pushing that. I just hope no evidence is second no game.
I was still good.
I'm told no game pushing the way from Dala very first the way pushing a point. No game but I know the way level like the way we pushing a point. I could tell this is the next generation.
Now it's me and my boy.
Yeah, but since no matter if you Spanish no, I just hope
sharp.
Perfect. You're sharp, no why? Because one day you guys are gonna look back. No, I believe it's Sazo Sanga Spanish.
Yeah, one day I mean what revealing bone things as one bar.
Yeah.
I want to allow us to see 6 years Zang Patu down.
Yeah. I see quite a next time.
Hola.
Creative Circles with K Forever.